Friends, today we learn about unit number 11 sound, class 10th physics. The first question: waves are produced by vibration. So the waves that we can hear called sound waves. Sound waves are the waves can be produced by vibration of body. For example, in guitar, sound is produced due to vibration of its strings. Our voices result from the vibration of our vocal cord. Similarly, human hearts also produce waves which can be heard by stethoscope. So, another activities for sound waves produced by vibration of a body. Here is a U-shaped instrument that is a tuning fork. Tuning fork is a U-shaped instrument that is used in laboratory. We use a rubber pad. When we strike rubber pad to the porolon of the instrument tune fork, its edges start to vibration like that. That is a vibrations. How we can see this vibration? These vibration we can observe by air, like we can observe by a glass that is full of water. When we put the tune fork in the water, we can the movement of water waves can tell us about the production of the waves. So sound is produced by vibration of body. Sound require medium for their propagations. Like we have an other activity, like we have a jar. Here is a electric bell in the jar. Here is a power supply, and when we switch on the electric supply, the bell start ring. The ring of the bell we can hear. As we remove the air from the jar by vacuum pump, there is a create of vacuum inside the jar. When switch on the supply, we cannot hear any ring of the bell because air is removed from the jar. So air is a medium which carry sound waves. From this activity we can observe that sound waves travel by the air. So air is a medium for the propagation of the sound waves. Now longitudinal waves, nature of the sound. How what is the nature of the sound waves? When tuning fork is used for the production of the sound waves, waves travel have two phase. One is compression and other is rarefaction. Compressions are the those part in which waves compress, and rarefaction are the part where waves are further apart. So waves travel by compression and rarefaction. So compression and rarefaction is the wave nature of the sound. So distance between two transitive compression and rarefaction is called wavelength of the sound. So this is also called longitudinal nature of the sound waves. So sound waves have a longitudinal nature of the sound wave. That is important MCQs. So thank you, students.